Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Google Cloud is providing the 100% free certification for the professional certification 2026, and we'll go through the step by step process for that, how to enroll on this. So there is a free Google Cloud certification 2026 Get certified edition 3 applies the from August 19 to September 16 2026, and training period will start of week of October 12 2026. So there is a certification track are there: Generative AI Leader 5 weeks, Associate Cloud Engineer 9 weeks, and Professional Cloud Architect there is a 6 to 9 weeks. So benefit of this is free certification preparation, expert lead training and mentorship, and hands-on Google Cloud Lab, skill badges and exam preparation, opportunity for a free certification exam voucher, official proctored certification exam. So eligibility primarily for the employee of Google Cloud customer using an eligible corporate and Google Workspace email, limited seats and required a weekly commitment apply. So official Google Gear Get certified program URL is this one, and apply early and verify the eligibility on Google official page. So when you'll open this one, this site, it will open this one, Gear Get certified, register for the expert lead communication certification cohort, and prepare for the Google Cloud certification exam with instructor lead training, hands-on lab, and technical mentorship. This no-cost program is available only for the Google Cloud customer who have an active Google Workspace corporate email. Okay. So in edition 3, uh, tracks offer Generative AI Leader, Associate Cloud Engineer, Professional Cloud Architect. Begin with this one week of 10 means October 12, and apply date is 19th of August to 16th of September. So how to apply? Ensure you are eligible. So you must employ a Google Cloud customer or use a corporate email to sign up for a Google Gear membership. Second is choose your track. So select certification track when you are applying. And please note you won't able to change this section once register is chosen. Secure your spot. Complete the commitment check and hit submit. Eligible applicants are accepted on rolling basis, and you will be notified by email accepted. So get the latest get certified announcement on our channel. So you can go with this dev community and schedule cohort. So edition 3 is there. So apply date and begin with the 10th of 12. Means October of 12. So generative AI, this is a 5 weeks. SE, this is a associate cloud engineer, this is a 9 weeks, and professional cloud architect, this is a 6 to 9 weeks. A 6 week express path is available for the AWS and Azure certified professional. So what to expect? So stage one cohort begins. So attend live session training and complete and virtual lab. In step two, core curriculum, attend weekly live session review and complete 9 hours per week of the self-paced lab, AI agent course, and skill-based quiz. Then competition cohort work up. So meet all cohort milestone and earn a exam voucher. So in after completing the two step, there you will find a exam voucher option. Then take your exam schedule and proctored Google Cloud mm, certification exam. Then Google Cloud certified. Claim your certification cohort swag. So while supply last means there is a term and conditions are there. So core curriculum is there. Instructor lead classes, courses and lab, community support. So FAQs are there. So you can go through the frequently asked question. So what happened and how the expected time commitment? Do you have to attend the virtual session live? Do I have to attend the virtual live session? And all the questions are there. So we are coming to back, and here is the option apply now. So we are clicking the apply now. So we are able to find the become member and dismiss option is there. So click on become member. You have to give all the details here and certification track just like associate cloud engineer English corporate email. So I'm going to put my email address. So let me find one email address. So you have to provide your company email address, then company name, first name, last name, and then submit. So like that, you have to step by step process. You have to apply this one. And main thing is this, prepare this one available only for the Google Cloud customers. So you have to complete a step-by-step process and you have to provide your workspace email and there is a using an is eligible corporate and Google workspace email. Okay. So apply early and verify eligibility on the Google official page. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me email on chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.